Okay, here's an easy way to turn that acidic water to alkaline water. Now, ideally, you want to start with spring water, distilled water, purified drinking water, reverse osmosis water, which is what I'm using. And the reason is because this water is going to have, harmful chemicals removed, fluoride, chlorine, certain metals. So that's why you want to have clean water to start. You're like, what's the big deal about alkaline water? Having a balanced pH protects our bodies from the inside out. Some even say that diseases and disorders can't grow in a body whose pH is imbalanced. It's easy to do at home. All you need is baking soda. Yes, baking soda. All right, I tested my water. My water is 5.0 pH. That's very acidic. That's a no-no. So how I'm making this water alkaline, so for every 1/4 teaspoon to the gallon, it changes the water 1.5 pH. So I'm starting at 5.0 pH. So adding 1/4 teaspoon changes it to 6.5. You get it. Then another 4 teaspoon turns it to 8. And then another teaspoon, 4 teaspoon turns it into 9.5. So yes, now I have turned my 5.0 very acidic water into 9.5 alkaline water. You can't taste it, so don't worry. The point is you want to go ahead and start protecting your body from the inside out and drinking alkaline water. I got you. We're going to do this.